Hi, this is Phyllis, and I want to tell you about something I've been thinking about, which I think you'll find interesting. I used to watch Jim Cramer from Mad Money every day. And why did I watch Jim Cramer? Because I liked the handle he had on the economy and housing. He called the bottom of the housing market a long time ago before anybody else did. And so I used to listen to him because, as you know, I really believe that what happens in the economy affects housing. So that's why I did it. And then I realized that I was taping it and not watching it. And I started to think about, why am I not watching Jim Cramer anymore? The answer is, I know what's going to happen with the economy. I don't need to watch Jim Cramer. The stock market is up a lot. And usually the stock market is a leading indicator of what the economy is going to be like. And it's up because the economy is improving. Even though it doesn't feel like it a lot, it's definitely improving. The companies have been doing well. Even though the people don't think that the economy is improving, it definitely has. It's going to be slow. It took a long time and it was really deep, so it's not going to jump back. But it is definitely improving. And the job market is improving, slower than we would like it, but definitely is. And so is housing. It may not be at the bottom. It's probably going to scrape along the bottom for a long time, but it is definitely improving. So therefore, I know what's going on with the economy. I know that housing is improving and that this is the best time ever to buy houses. In fact, there are so many people with cash buying houses that it's hard to get in there. There's a lot of competition. People who do not want to go with the ups and downs of the stock market, who do not like getting 1.5% on their money, are buying properties cash and they're holding into it because you can get cash flow. Now, that's why I agree. I've been doing this myself. I'm back in the market very seriously. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. And I think that you should too. And I believe it's a difficult time to get involved if you're not experienced. It's harder than it used to be. If you think you're going to get involved without some expert opinions and coaching about what's going on in the market and how things change sometimes from week to week, about what's happening with the banks and the REOs and even the federal laws that are changing that affect how you invest, if you think you're going to do this on your own, you are kidding yourself. Go find something else because you're not going to ever make a dime in real estate. This is the time where you need hand-holding. You need to know what is happening, how to make an offer, how to deal with a broker, how to follow all the new regulations that the state and the federal government has put into place about owner financing. It's tricky. So you need to get a mentor. Just coincidentally, I do mentoring. In fact, I do it for individuals and groups. Usually once or at the most twice a year, I have a small group, which is limited to 10. And we are starting one April 23rd. So if you have any inclination about getting into the market and doing it the right way so you don't make mistakes, don't get discouraged, and don't get talked into some really high price program from somebody who's nothing more than an internet marketer and doesn't live here, then contact us. You can click onto our website, realestateclubla.com, and look at the mentoring page, and it'll explain everything. So hope to see you in our group. We're only taking a few people, and don't get left out.